Let's return to the doji patterns which we have discussed before in basic candlestick patterns. In this case, we want to highlight the Dragonfly and Gravestone Doji patterns as strong reversal patterns to take note of. To identify a Dragonfly or Gravestone Doji pattern, bodies are so small that they appear as a thin line. A Dragonfly Doji would have a long lower shadow and non-existent upper shadow, whereas a Gravestone Doji would have a long upper shadow and non-existent lower shadow. A Dragonfly Doji is a bullish reversal pattern that is typically found at the end of a downtrend. What it shows us is that sellers tried to force prices lower, but there was a strong rejection by buyers in the market, who then forced prices up to close at or very near to the open price. This gives us a very bullish signal that price could move up from here. A Gravestone Doji is a bearish reversal pattern that is typically found at the end of an uptrend. What it shows us is that buyers tried to force prices higher, but there was a strong rejection by sellers in the market, who then forced prices down to close at or very near to the open price. This gives us a very bearish signal that price could move down from here. Let's take a look at a Dragonfly Doji in action. Here we can see that a Dragonfly Doji formed after a slight downtrend in price. Given that it is a bearish reversal pattern, where do you think price would be headed from here? If you guessed that price would rise, you would be right. Price indeed went up after the setup appeared. In this case, it went up from 1.17098 to 1.18763 by about 166 pips. If this helped you understand better the topic, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video on a double candlestick pattern engulfing candle.